Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I am gonna do a quick video today, kind of more like vlog style, not so sit down at my desk and show you a tutorial. My kids are outside playing right now and they look super cute. So I'm kind of just was thinking, oh, I should show them how easy it is to literally walk outside, find the sunshine, take a cute pic and edit it without any apps really fast. So here I go. Hey guys, do real fast.
Yeah. Ouch. Whoa.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that pretty sunshine. Elliot, can you smile? All right. Can you guys say bye?
Bye.
All right, so now I'm going to pull it back up into my photo albums and edit it really quick for you guys right before we all go to school. It takes like 15 seconds. So here we go. So that's it. Oh my God. Look at them, you guys. Look at them. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post new content every single week, and hopefully you guys can come here and this is a space where you guys can learn something new, and it'll be a really fun community. Already so many people are commenting about different things we're talking about over on Instagram, so come on over, come say hi. It's at Erin Everyday, and we're having just so much fun creating and talking about the different things that we can do in our lives that are simple and easy and very intentional with our time. And that's it. All right. Again, we're a little bit of a mess, as always over here. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Bye.